Hi, this is Jason Fielder with the Daily Forex Report for June 3rd. We are looking at the US-Japanese yen pair. This particular pair continues to move sideways with a bias sideways. Did close up for the session, but did form an inside bar. Second day for an inside bar, by the way, so definitely keep an eye on this pair. It could break out at any moment. Now, we are expecting this pair to potentially move as high as 97.13, possibly as low as 94.61. Look for some resistance around 96.42 and look for some support around 95.28 in this particular pair. Now, switching to the Euro-USD pair, this pair pulled back today, did close down. It's starting to move sideways, definitely has a bias to the upside still. Looking for it to move potentially as high as 1.4443, possibly as low as 1.4012. Look for some resistance around 1.4300 and look for some support around 1.4101. Let's take a look at the pound US dollar pair. This particular pair pulled back during today's session. We are expecting this pair to start moving sideways, potentially, but the bias is still to the upside. So not sure if this will be a temporary pullback or if it will continue within this area, within this current range we have. We are looking for it to potentially move as high as 1.6794, possibly as low as 1.6108. Look for some resistance around 1.6579 and look for some support around 1.6198. Now let's take a look at the US Swiss. This particular pair closed up for today. This pair has started moving sideways, biased definitely to the downside still. We're looking for it to potentially move as high as 1.0830, possibly as low as 1.0519. Look for some resistance around 1.0746 and look for some support around 1.0619. Now, looking ahead to tomorrow, we have the pound releasing their rate decision for at 7 a.m. Eastern Time. Consensus says they're going to hold rates at 0.50%. The Euro also has their rate decision being released at 7:45 a.m. Eastern Time. Their consensus on that one is that they're going to hold rates at 1%. The U.S. has the Bernanke giving a welcome remarks at the Fed conference in Washington at 8:45 a.m. Eastern Time. Don't know if that will move the market or not, but it is definitely worth noting. Now, the Canadian dollar has their rate decision tomorrow at 9 a.m. also. That's Eastern Time. Consensus is they're going to hold at 0.25%. Well, what am I looking for during this next session? Really have one trade that I'm looking at, and that is in the US pound. This particular pair formed an overextended bar. I know you don't see it because I don't have it on the chart, but it did form an overextended bar during this last session. So I'm looking for a break of this low and looking for it to tag this previous resistance that could now be support. And if you take a look at that, as far as how many pips we're looking for, it's quite a lot at around the 150 mark, 147, 150 mark. So it definitely has a decent amount there to run to the downside if we get a break of this low. Well, that about does it for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.